and a dash, and then press A and B together, which will give you the letter A.
Did get my message? I don't know what I said.
No, then you have to press it again. So when you get the letter, you press it again. Yeah, see, look, I got Lily Grace's message.
I don't know what
Did
you get
A.
that?
So basically, try one at a time. Everyone press the reset button to do it again. Press the reset button.
Right, is that this one?
Yes. Now, Lily Grace, try send the letter A, which is dot and a dash.
Did you get my E?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So press reset and then wait. So press dot, which is A. Who's sending E?
Me. I.
A.
L. You got my I.
Yeah, and then
Why are you sending Val?
and then you can just send letters. You can
Right,
send
I sent
words.
you an A. Wait, no, someone sent me.
I
so
did.
confused. Did anyone get my B?
No. Oh
B,
yeah,
I'm
I
sending
did.
you. Right, I'm sending you this.
Okay, press A and B and press A and B again. I didn't get it. Everyone's trying, that's why. And then press
You
reset.
got my E.
Just try pressing.
I have
Oh, I
a
got
dot
an E.
and a dash. So together that should make an A, right? Yay!
Yeah, see?
I had it just. That is that an A?
I sent in.
Ruby said a full word.
And you can just like send letters to other people and
T.
instead of using
I got
the
a
phone.
T. Right, so how do I get other letters to an A?
What do you mean?
Like, so I have an O just that just showed up. So
Yeah, that means other people are sending. So if you reset, press dot A, press A.
Mhm.
Wait, yeah, and B.
Q.
Now press A and B together. Press again. Then we should receive it. And yeah, that's it. You can just send messages.
I will try. Do a B.
Yeah, so which is dash,
Dash,
dot,
dot,
and then press
dot.
A and B together. And press A, B again.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got B.
press A, B again to send it. See?
Is that when I get a little
Yeah, I
tick
got-
to show
yeah,
that it's been?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
What did I say?
I'm going to try and spell.
U-A-D-G-F-I.
Can I try and spell my
I
name?
sent a lot
yeah,
of stuff.
so you do dot dash dot.
Okay. Dot, dash, dot, dot. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot, dash, dot, dot.
Now you press A and B, and then you don't press it again. Now press. No, see, you sent it. You're not
Okay.
supposed to send it.
Oh, so you send them
Yeah,
when they're all together.
yeah.
Okay. Hang on, I'm going to try it. So I make the letter L, and then I go straight into the I. So it
Yeah.
makes L-I, and then I'll send
Wait,
it.
no,
Yeah.
which one is dash and which one is dot?
This is dot,
Okay.
and this is dash.
I think I'd need to like print this out
Yeah.
and learn from it.
So you can basically send
Okay,
anything.
so I'm gonna do dot, dash, dot, dot, and then I'm gonna go for I, which is dot, dot. No. So I'm gonna go for dot, dash, dot, dot. Let's make L, and then dot, dot. Let's make I, okay, and then dot, dash, dot, dot. Lil. I accidentally sent it. That's why. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's like a mini phone.
Yeah.
Mini WhatsApp.
Like the olden days.
I'm gonna try and send a number.
Oh, numbers don't work. I didn't.
Is
code
it only letters?
Yeah, most so far.
So maybe
letters.
if we just like typed the name of the number.
Yeah.
Like 9 and
Yeah.
yeah, don't need to tell you how to do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna send.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really fun. Blocks. Yeah. So you just. So if you want to send like a word, you choose your letters.
So try and send my name one more time because
So
I'm messing it up.
if you want to do a P, which is dot, dash, dash, dot, and then you press A and B, and it should show you P. Don't press it again, otherwise it will send it. and then after the letter pops up,
Just means.
you do an I, which is dash, 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 which is...
I'm gonna wait until you send it.
I'll try do my name quickly.
Mine's got hopefully something. I didn't get a message just then. Has anybody sent their messages?
No.
I'm not wearing my glasses.
I'm gonna send my name.
Dot dash. Oh, naughty. Yeah, I got the whole thing. And then, I dot. And then dot dash dot. I sent Lil again. I can't send Lily the full name.
You just do your letters, and then after when you finish, you press
It's a
A
bit
and
like,
B
you
again.
know, when you do like when you're little in the comics, like the little code things like this means this.
Yeah. L. L. And do another L. I'm so confused. Now I'm going to do O, and I'm going to send it to you, and you should receive it.
Okay.
Ready?
Am I not?
Did you get it?
Hello.
That's it.
Hello.